Hey, this is Jason. I got something new I wanted to show you today. So I got my Revel here in the driveway, my GLSS all set up. If you've got a Revel and you don't have a GLSS, I can't recommend it more highly. It changes the vehicle completely. I get my 3 kids back here, myself, and we have breakfast and dinner and all that stuff. But there's a problem. The issue that I'm facing with the GLSS is how it actually interfaces with some of the existing parts in the van. In particular, these bed rails on the right and left here. The issue with the bed rails is something that has caused a problem for both the cushions and for my kids when we're sitting there having a meal. Let me get up closer and I'll show you. So here's the bed rail, and the bed rail actually is part of the structure of the van that lets the bed, which is above us, come down, and it just kind of guides everything. And there's one on both sides. The issue is that you can catch a finger on this and it's got sharp edges on it. Those sharp edges have caught my kids' fingers when they're fiddling with something when we're sitting here at the lagoon table having a meal. And the problem is I want to fix that so it's not dangerous for them. And the second issue I've got is the cushions. If you lift up the GLSS to get access to something inside, you can see it hits right there. And these cushions are actually quite delicate. Thankfully, the folks at Canyon Vans have been fantastic with replacing cushions that were damaged in shipping from UPS. I can't talk about them more highly. Their customer service was fantastic. Now I've got a really good set of cushions on here. Everything is perfect. I don't want the van to damage them by scraping on this little part. So here is my solution. I actually have some parts that I made. These modify the bottom of the rail here, and these are 3D printed out of PETG plastic. And what you do is stick them right into the bottom, press it in there like that. One on that side, one over here on this side. Let me do this one-handed with the camera here. Boom. And so they fit right in there, nice and tight, just tight enough that you actually don't really need any parts. I mean, you could glue them in place if you wanted to. But so what this does is it's got a little spherical edge on it, or a cylindrical edge, it's spherical on the corner. And that makes it nice and soft. And so you really can't catch anything on that. And it blends in, the color matches with the GLSS piping there on these awesome seats. So this really just changes everything a little bit. So if you like this idea, give me a thumbs up. If you print it out and use it, awesome. Let me know how it works out for you. And if you have ideas to improve it, let me know that as well, because I'd love to make things better together. I think putting stuff in the van and make this an awesome vehicle for adventuring and going around the country and doing stuff, going to events and hanging out with friends and family is just fantastic. It makes it just better and better. So I'd love your ideas so I can incorporate them into what I'm doing. And otherwise, cool. Thanks for watching. Enjoy.